today's video, we'll be providing you with the fuel pump shutoff switch location and reset procedures for your 2022 through 2024 Ford Expedition. The inertia switch in a Ford vehicle is a safety feature designed to shut off the fuel pump in the event of a collision or sudden impact. This helps prevent fuel from continuing to flow and reduces the risk of fire after an accident. Starting in 2015, Ford no longer equipped the Ford Expedition with a manually resettable fuel pump shutoff switch. Vehicles made from 2015 to 2021 could have fuel pump shutoff capabilities restored by following reset procedures. In modern Ford vehicles, the restraint control module or airbag module now controls power to the fuel pump for the vehicle. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. If the fuel pump reset icon is showing on your dash and you need to restore fuel pump capabilities to your vehicle, here's some suggestions for you to consider. Get your vehicle scanned and analyzed with an automotive scan tool that's capable of communicating with the restraint module or airbag module. Doing so will provide more information regarding the current health and status of the onboard electronics. See links down in the description below for our recommended scan tools. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.